Hey, third
Did you start
graders.
recording yet?
I did start recording. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Whitford.
Hi.
Wait, there you are. And there's basketball. No, it's not basketball anymore on TV right now. It was basketball. Maybe we'll watch it again. Hey, third graders. So remember how we were talking about perimeter. Mr. Whitford, do you know what perimeter is?
It is the area around, or the outside area.
Yes, it's the outside of a, like walking around the perimeter. So when we say sit on the perimeter of the carpet, it means the outside edge of the carpet. All right, so we are going to practice kind of a different type of perimeter problem today. So something that you might see. It's not very difficult. You just have to pay attention. That's it. That's the easiest way to describe it. And if you are able to write your equations, you might get to use a calculator. Fun, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. It says the pentagon has, and penta means 5, pentagon has a perimeter of 32 centimeters. What is the length of the missing side? So here's what I want you to do. Take a moment, pause the video, I'll leave it up here, and then when you feel like you have solved it, solve it on your dry erase things. When you feel like you've solved it, unpause the video and I'll show you how I would solve it. Okay? Good luck. Okay, I'm going to assume that you have spent some time solving this problem. Let's take a look at how I would solve it. So if I know that the perimeter is 32 centimeters, that means I know if I add this and this and this and this and this, I'm going to get 32. So how I would solve it, I would probably take 10 plus 11 plus 2 plus 4 plus question mark equals 32. So that would be my equation. If you already put some of these two together or some of these together, that's okay too. So let's figure out how much this is, and then we can figure out what that missing side is. So if I have, let's see, I know that 2 plus 4 is 6. I know that 6 plus 11 is 17. And 17 plus 10 is going to give me 27. Okay, so now the last thing I need to do is figure out 27 plus what equals 32. Two ways you can solve this. One, you can just count up from 32 to get your answer. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 to get the answer of 5 centimeters. Or if you want to subtract, that also works. 32 take away 27. All right. 2 take away 7. Can't do it. Let me regroup. That becomes 2 tens. That becomes 10 ones and 2 ones. 12 take away 7. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 2 minus 2 is 0 to get 5 centimeters as the missing length, as the missing side. All right, let's try another one. Okay, very similar here. See what you can figure out. It says John has 16 feet of wood that he uses to make a sandbox that has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. He makes sides with the lengths of 6 feet, 5 feet, and 3 feet. What length should he make the 4th side in order to use all 16 feet of the wood? All right. Take your time to solve it. After you've solved it, you are welcome to, or well, we can pause the video. After you've solved it, I'm not sure who's going to be in the room with you guys right now, but whoever it is can call up 1 or 2 people to share what they did to solve it. They can show what they did on the board. So when you are ready, pause the video and show how you solved it. All right, I'm going to assume that you have now paused the video, you've solved it, maybe you've shared some ways that you solved it. This is what I would do. I know that if I add this, this, and this together, plus this, I'm going to get the perimeter, which is 16. All right, so I know that 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I have 14. So 14 plus something is going to get me 16. That should be pretty easy. 14 plus what equals 16? 14, 15, 16. So my answer is 2. Good job, Mr. Whitford. Mr. Whitford got it right too. Yay! Oh, Can you see my cat in the, let's see, can you see it? There he is. He's hiding. Look how cute he is, and then we'll go to the next part, because look how cute he is. I know, he's so cute, right? He's just in the laundry, because that's what cats do. At least that's what my cat does. That's Murray. He's the weird one. All right. Well, not weird, just a little bit different. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right. This is trickier. I'll show you how to solve it, but I'm going to let you work on it first. You are welcome to work on this with a partner. You are welcome to work on this individually. Be careful. This rectangle, oh, something very exciting on the TV. This rectangle has a perimeter of 56 feet. What are the lengths of the unlabeled sides? Explain or show your work. Okay, pause the video, work on how you'd solve it, and then unpause the video, and I will come back and show you how I would solve it. Okay, welcome back. So this is trickier because it actually has a secret extra step. And that secret extra step, you're not going to believe it, is division. Okay, let me show you why. So remember perimeter, you have to add up all the different sides. So over here, since I know that this is 8 feet, over here, this is also going to be 8 feet, okay? So if I add 8 plus 8, I get 16. I know that. So then I know if I'm going to get 16 plus something, it's going to give me the perimeter, which is 56 feet. But wait a minute. How many sides is this something over here supposed to be? Yeah, it's 2 sides. That's why it gets a little bit trickier. So you can write your equation like this. I'm going to show you a different way to write it that might make it a little bit easier. I would probably do 8 plus 8 plus something equals the perimeter, which is 56. Okay. So now I know that these parts here, those are going to be 2 sides. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus something equals 56. All right. Well, let me start by taking out what I know. So I'm going to take 56 and I'm going to take out 16 because I know that what is left is going to give me the length of both of those sides together. 6 take away 6 is 0. 5 take away 1 is 4. All right. So I know that these 2 sides together are going to be 40. But that's the 2 sides together. So that means I need to divide that 40 by 2. So what is 40 divided by 2? You got it? All right. It is 20. So 8 plus 8 plus 20 plus 20. For a question like this, I would definitely suggest checking your work by adding it together to see if you get the perimeter. All right. So 20 plus 20 is, I almost said that wrong, is 40. Is 16 plus 40 equal to 56? It is. Very good job. Here is just another explanation of what to do to solve that. If a rectangle has a perimeter of 22 and one side is 4, what could all of the other sides be? So here are your steps. Add the opposites together. All right, so I have, I'm going to put that in black. There we go. 4 plus 4. All right, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Oh, actually, well, feel free to Feel free to pause the video and then solve this on your own and then unpause it when you're ready to check. Rectangle has a perimeter of 22. One side is 4. What could all the other sides be? Okay, so I did step 1, add the opposites. Step 2, subtract from the perimeter. 22, which is the perimeter, take away 8. All right, 22, take away 8. Oh, the kitty, he's in the laundry. Oh, okay, bye laundry, bye kitty. 22, take away 8. So you can use your calculator, or I could do this. 2 take away 8, I can't do it. I need to regroup. All right, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 14. All right, so 12 take away 8 is 14. That is not the length of one side. It's the length of two sides together. So I need to take that 14 divided by 2. It could look like that, or it could look like this. Remember that symbol? This says 14 divided by 2. So what number times 2 equals 14? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 7. That means this missing side length is 7. I can check myself by adding all of these together. 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4, and see if that gets me 22. 7 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4. This is 14. This is 8. 14 plus 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That is correct. Yay! All right, there's a few other perimeter problems for you guys to solve. You can, after this video, decide how you want to solve them, and yeah, and then you're going to work on some of the practice problems, and that's it. And then I will see you guys a little bit later. Bye.